Hello, you guys. It is snowing where we live right now, and I just took the trash to the trash can at the top of the road. And this morning I went out to go back in. It's cold. I went to go get groceries, grab coffee with a friend, and came back home. And I'm gonna make soup today. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna work because I'm a marketer, and my lips are so dry. For homeschool, it is Friday, but I may read some books about snow. I may not. We'll see. We did pretty good on homeschool this week, so I'm not sweating it. But yeah, the snow is very pretty. The sunroom is a disaster, so I won't show the whole thing. But I love being in here and having surround view of the snow. So pretty. See, the kids have kind of made this their home. You want to see the snow with me?
Yeah.
Look.
Is it covering the whole ground?
It's going to. Be careful. Look at that. Starting to cover the ground just a little bit. So cool, right?
Do I have to put on my gloves?
Yep, your gloves, your hat, your jacket, all the things.
How about a backpack?
You can wear a backpack if you want.
How about my axe?
Sure, you gonna bring your axe outside? Man, I did some work and got a few things done, and it is really still coming down. What book are we gonna read?
The Snow People.
The Snow Thief. We've got The Snow Thief and A Quiet Conversation with the Snow. Where is all the grass gone, bird? Why is it so white and cold? The grass hasn't gone anywhere, squirrel. Snow fell from the sky and covered it all up. But why, bird? Why? Because sometimes it snows in the wintertime and snow can be fun. Come and see. No, thank you, bird. I'll stay in my tree and keep warm.
I know, buddy.
What do you think about the snow, pumpkin?
Yes, neat snow again.
Snow pumpkin. What do you think?
I got more Christmas.
Does it look like Christmas?
Yeah. Presents here.
Are you going to play with me in the snow in a little while?
Yeah.
Ooh, that'd be so fun.
No, let's get presents here.
I don't have no presents.
I have presents here. Let's get presents here.
Now come with me to the kitchen and we're going to make some enchilada soup. Let me put my crazy hair up. For the soup, I'm going to use this rotisserie chicken that the kids already took the legs from. And so this will be the meat in the soup. This will be the base. Then I gotta cut up some stuff and add some garlic and pepper to it. I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna do about 2 teaspoons of the minced garlic. And I doubt I'll use this much cilantro, but I'm gonna put some. It's pretty optional. If you guys don't like cilantro, you don't have to add it. I just shredded all this chicken. It's still snowing out there. I don't know if y'all can see it through my dirty window. Yeah, I think you can. It's not really accumulating a ton, but it's nice to see like some white. This is what the chicken looks like now. It's so pretty. Once all of this is kind of cooked down and softened up really good, I'm going to add the shredded chicken and a can of corn and a can of kidney beans or red beans. I usually get kidney beans, but that is all for like the vegetables and meat, and then I'll show you guys the rest. Okay, whew, it's getting steamy. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, yeah. The onions and the tomatoes are getting tenderized, which is what we like. And so now I have got my trusty little can opener right here, and I'm gonna open up this can of corn over here. I just love snow days, by the way. I was so excited. I almost felt like giddy butterflies in my stomach when it started snowing. I just love it. I'm gonna do like a little bit of knitting later, and I drained the juice out of this, but I edited it out, me walking away. But that sounded kind of gross. I'm gonna do some knitting later, hopefully watch a movie with the family. I picked up pan, which is like bread, sweet Mexican bread, and we had abuelita's hot chocolate this morning, or this afternoon when I got back from all of my little errands. And it's just been a good snow day. It's been very, very nice and relaxed, and all my family's upstairs kind of cozied up watching movies together and drawing and playing with Dad since he didn't have to go to work today. That's another plus. Love snow days. It's going pretty well. I just dropped a bunch of beans in my sink. Trying to drain this can. I need to slow down. And then I'm gonna put this chicken that I shredded, the rotisserie chicken. I love going to get a rotisserie chicken. There's a local Mexican store close to us that has really good ones, and they make meal planning really easy because lots of things have chicken in them, and I don't have to mess with raw chicken and, you know, cook chicken myself. I can just pretty much have it ready. Let me show you how this is looking. So this is just with the chicken and vegetables. It's already looking really good, but now it's time to make it creamy and delicious. I don't really measure things anymore, so I'm gonna do about a cup of sour cream, about a cup of mild or hot salsa, whatever kind you like, and about a cup of cheese. My thing is I'm just probably gonna dump it all in there, but if you guys want to do exact measurements or like kind of go by something, there we go. See, I think there's about a cup of each thing is what I have anyways, so it works. So I'm gonna do that. Oh no, I forgot to dip some out for my 3-year-old because he's lactose intolerant. I always dip him some out before adding the sour cream. It's okay. I have ramen noodles and I still have some of that rotisserie chicken left. Crap. Okay. Anyways, that was a mommy mistake. I feel so bad because he does like it too, and he's gonna feel bad that he can't have soup. But I have several different kinds of like rices and soups and stuff, so I will make him something special. He'll have his own special meal. You got a mommy oopsie on camera. Just gonna dump all this, and I don't really trust my tap water, so I'm just drinking out of this water. I'm going to put a little bit in there and shake it up. Here you go. Oh, anyways, we got the salsa and the sour cream in there. And it looks like it might need a little bit more pepper. Sorry about the measurements, guys. I don't really go by recipes. I just go by taste and flavor. Before you think I just drowned this whole thing in pepper, for some reason it doesn't like to come through these little holes. So even though I did just beat the crap out of it, it wasn't a whole lot. All right, it's looking really tasty now. I might add my cheese. I'm just gonna put all of this in there. I know that sounds like a lot. Well, I'll save a little bit for us to put on the top of the soup when we make our bowls. There we go. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of sour cream and call it a day. That was kind of a lot. Cooking with Katie. Are you enjoying this so far? Also, I've got these Scoops chips. Usually we like the Tostitos hints of lime chips, but I could not find them in the store that I went to today. So I was like, we'll just do the scoops. I know I had coffee, but I got a mini can of Dr. Pepper to drink along with this water. But I have, I'm just gonna do it anyway. I try to limit caffeine, especially on a chill day. And snow days are supposed to be the chillest of the chill. But I did not get a lot of sleep last night, so let's party. I'm gonna let this simmer for, everything in it's cooked, so I'm gonna let it simmer for probably about 20 minutes. And then I'll call everybody down to eat with me. I'm gonna take this time now to do some journaling and possibly some knitting. Here's my current scarf I'm working on. And look at this, you guys. It's just so beautiful. I love it so much. I especially think that my little yucca plants are so pretty in the snow. And my little patio umbrella. It is a couple hours later and we're about to eat soup. Finally, I had the soup on low, but we've just been chilling and I kind of forgot that I was even doing a vlog. So my bad on that. Excuse the dirty windows, but it is still snowing just a little bit. Well, I still see it, but it's getting like smaller snowflakes and I think there's gonna be some sleet mixed in. We didn't get a ton, but it was nice to see it fall today. And I'm sure that the kids will want to play in it tomorrow. It's not gonna get above freezing. And so it'll be here when we wake up, and I plan on taking the kids to go do that. But it's only like 5:30, 6 o'clock right now, so it's time to have dinner. I'm so excited about the soup. We eat it at least 2 or 3 times during the winter most years, and this is the first time I've made it in this house. It's like our comfort soup. It's chicken enchilada soup, if I haven't even mentioned the name of it yet. I had it on low for a while, and then nobody was hungry, so I turned the burner off, and now I've got it kind of on a medium heat, trying to get it back hot. I could microwave it, but I'm just gonna warm it all in the pot one more time. I added a bit of sour cream, some Frank's Red Hot, and some cheese. Now I'm just gonna stir all that in. And I like to crush these chips. Kids already got into them. But these chips into it, and I'm gonna sit down and enjoy it. We just finished dinner, and
Just finished oatmeal.
Yeah, he ate oatmeal because I forgot to.
Look at my shirt.
Okay, Mickey Mouse with oatmeal, but I forgot to get him out some before I put milk in it, or like dairy products in it.
Shirt.
I'll wash it. And so that is all. He had oatmeal. And JJ had a little bit of the soup and some rice from earlier. And so, I don't know why I'm crouching in the kitchen floor. Okay, he went to take care of some business. But I'm going to end the vlog here. And hopefully I'll have another one soon. Maybe I'll get some more of a vlog for you guys when we go out in the snow tomorrow, depending on how things go. So, I'll see you guys soon. And I'll be doing all kinds of content. So I hope you guys enjoy.